Hi, this is Savannah, and I'm here to just give you a quick Google Docs 101. Sometimes I understand that it can be super overwhelming. It looks a lot different than that Microsoft Word we're used to, and we can't find the things. So I'm here to just quickly and briefly go over a few things to get you started using Google Docs. First thing is we have untitled document at the top, and if you hover over it, you'll see that you can actually click on this, and this is where you can title this document so that you can always find it and it's not just there as untitled. You will also see here once you've started typing on it, you'll see a cloud. If it has a check mark, that means it has already saved your Google Doc and you don't have to keep clicking save. So as you start typing here, you will also see that it says saving. So you can tell that it's saving. And then once it's done, it says save to drive. And then you'll just see the cloud letting you know. So you never have to click file and save like in Microsoft Word or anything like that. Here you have your file button to make a new document. You can open something you already have. You can even open Word documents in to your Google Docs to turn it into a Google Docs. You have share, you can email and download this. You can download it as a Word document or a PDF. You can rename it from here, move it, and all of these other things here. Page setup is where you're going to want to change your margins. I know that was a little tricky for me at first. So I can change how big I want my margins because I always like a half an inch. Or if you just want a pageless document that continues running, you can do that here too. Edit is going to be super short and sweet. It's going to be your simple tools like undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and select all if you need to find something special. View is more like what you are viewing, not so much view the document. So view, do you want to show the print layout or the ruler like you see my ruler along the edges here? The outline, do you want an equation toolbar or do you want it to show non-printing characters, or you can put it in full screen. So again, it's how you're viewing the document, not so much about the document. Insert is the best part. You can insert images from your computer, even search the web from here, from your drive or your photos. You can even use a URL or take a picture right from Google Docs. You can insert tables, however big or small you would like them. A drawing, you can create a new one or a drawing from your drive. Charts, lines, emojis, drop downs are super cool. I love drop downs. You can make a new drop down, title it whatever you want, have different options, and then you have that set in so that you can click different options. If you're creating a table, it's super cool to use the drop downs in those tables. Footnotes, special characters, equations, watermarks to keep on every page. Of course, your headers and footers and page numbers, those are important. Any break in a page, you can insert links from here, a comment on your thing, a bookmark, anything you want. Format's going to be how your page is actually formatted. So styles, indenting, columns, bullets, headers, footers as well, and things like that. Tools are going to be, it has its own built-in spelling and grammar check, similar to Microsoft Word. If you're looking for a word count, students can actually insert citations from here. So they can pick whether it's MLA or APA, add citation source. Is it a book? How did they access it? They can search that with an ISBN or cite it manually, which can be super helpful when doing citation pages for students or yourself. You have line numbers if you're looking for a certain amount of lines, a dictionary. You can translate the document into other languages, which can be super helpful for your EL students or your parents that you're trying to get in touch with. And then extensions probably aren't going to touch right now since this is 101. And then any help if you can't find something. Keyboard shortcuts, always helpful. These are going to be your basic font tools here. You're going to see this area here. This is zoom, how big you want to see it. Do you want to see it up close? Do you want the whole page to fit? Do you only want it at 50%? That's going to be how you view the document. And then this is your spelling and grammar check is on, your print button, and then your redo, undo, and if you're searching for something. Here's if you want to insert a link. Instead of going to insert, you can insert it from here, comment, and the same thing, insert image directly on the thing. These three buttons are actually going to bring another drop-down menu for the things I bet you thought were hiding. Your align and indent, your spacing, your bullets, okay, all of those things are going to be here. Here's your version history, so you can restore if you made a lot of mistakes or something got messed up. You can actually restore that version. Boom, takes me back to the beginning. Beautiful. Comment. Share is a big one. So you can share, you're the owner. You can share it with anyone who has the link. You can share it with only Mountain View School District. You can type in someone's name here and click to share with them as an editor or just a viewer or a commenter. I hope this helps you get started with Google Docs. It's not as intimidating as you think, and if all else fails, Google it.